Whenever they play, it gets too serious. It's like she needs a puppy. She needs another dog. Kim's the protector. He's kind of been moved on to his role. And he doesn't want to play. And she just wants somebody to play with her. She's like, it's like an imaginary friend. She's a 1-year-old with imaginary friends. Did you take her out on or anything?
I did take some zero check notes.
Do it for the camera. Do it for the camera, puppy.
Day and night, helps me sleep too.
So you can breathe.